Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this powerful nutrient packed oat, banana and apple meal for your baby, and trust me, your baby will love this. I saw my friend making this yummy nutritious meal for her baby. She is big on children nutrition, trust me when I say it. So I had to film this process. But before then, let me tell you the ingredients and the benefits of this ingredient she used. She used apples, and apples are very good for your children. Not just children, for adults also. Apples are a good source of essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants, all of which are important for a child's growth and overall health. It also helps in digestion. Apples help in immune system support. The vitamin C and antioxidants in apples play a role in boosting the immune system of your child. They are also very good in supporting the heart health of your baby. Apples contain antioxidants like quercetin, which supports the brain health and the cognitive function of your child. It helps in energy boost. It also helps in supporting the bone development of your child. Can you see why it is always good to incorporate apples into your children's meals? The second ingredient she used was banana. Banana is packed with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber, which are important for a child's growth and development. It also helps in digestion. It's a good source of natural sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose, providing a quick and sustained energy boost for your children. It helps in brain function. Because of the vitamin C in bananas, it contributes to a strong immune system. It also helps in healthy bones, and it's also good for the skin health of your child because it contains vitamin C that helps in supporting collagen. Bananas are very good for your children, as you can see. The third ingredient she used was oats. Oats are a great source of essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins such as B vitamins, and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and zinc, which are crucial for a child's growth and overall well-being. The high fiber content in oats supports healthy digestion and prevents constipation, a common concern among children. It also provides a slow release of carbohydrates, helping to maintain steady energy throughout the day. The fiber in oats also help children to feel full and satisfied. It helps in the brain development of your child because of the B vitamins. It also helps in immune support because it contains antioxidants and minerals. Then oats contain magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, which helps in a healthy bone in children. These three ingredients are highly nutritious and should be incorporated into your children's meal. Now that you know the benefits of these ingredients, let's jump into the entire process. First, boil the oats until it's done for a few minutes. Next, steam your apples. Steaming the apple is a gentle and nutritious cooking method that preserves their natural flavor, texture, and nutrients. And it's actually a popular choice for introducing solid foods to babies as they are easily digestible and can be pureed to a smooth consistency. It also helps to avoid overcooking, which can lead to the nutrient loss and also a mushy texture. So always steam your apple. Basically, a perforated pot was placed over another pot that has boiling water in it. When your oats is cooled a bit, blend all the ingredients together and voila, your baby's meal is ready. Make sure you have a dedicated blender for your baby and keep your blender clean to avoid any form of contamination. So you just have to blend the apples, the banana, and the boiled oats together, and your baby food is ready. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe. Also, let me know if you're already making this meal for your baby. Then when your baby is ready to eat, just take a little portion, add some baby milk to it, and feed your baby. This food is loaded, trust me, loaded with nutrients and minerals, as I've already explained earlier. And there you have it, friends, a wholesome nutrition and super easy to make banana oats and apple meal for your baby. It's a great way to introduce different flavors and textures to their diet. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more baby friendly recipes and parenting tips. See you in the next video.